Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a virtual machine scale set with Azure CLI. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the Azure portal, so we will use the Azure Cloud Shell here. So if you all remember, this is how you use the Cloud Shell inside the Azure portal. I have clicked on this thing and it will pop up and would let me choose the subscription and go with here. Central India, use the existing resource group. This one, storage account, I do not have one, so smart storage. File share, I'm gonna do it. So Cloud Shell requires file share, and this is not persistent. If the session is gone, these data will be also gone, the commands that you ran here. It will create it in few seconds. So if you remember, while we created the Azure VMSS from the portal, we had the resource group, we had the load balancer that we gave the name, the operating system, and everything else. So everything else is same, but we're gonna do it from the Azure Cloud Shell using the CLI commands. So it is connecting to the terminal. I am in the drop down. I've selected PowerShell, not Bash. It will take few seconds more. Okay. Authenticating to Azure, building your Azure drive. Here it is. So if I do this one, there's nothing. It's the cloud drive that I have. So I'm going to first of all create the resource group. So I'm going to use AZ group create. I'm going to use the parameter -- name. Remember, this is the AZ CLI, not ARM template, so it's double dash here. My name, I'm going to do with test AZURE VMSS CLI. Remember, I created test AZURE VMSS RG for creating my into the portal. I'm doing it for the resource group location. I am using, let's go with East US. Okay, it's going to create a resource group with the name of test AZURE VMSS CLI RG on the East US location. Now we'll create a virtual machine scale set with AZ VMSS create command. So if I use AZ VMSS create, I'm going to do it in the resource group, which is test AZURE VMSS CLI RG in the East US location, and the name of my scale set would be test AZURE VMSS. This is my scale set, and I'm going to use image as Ubuntu. Remember, we used Ubuntu in the portal as well. I'm going to go with Ubuntu LTS. Please make sure that you select it properly. I'm going to go for the upgrade policy mode to automatic. Remember, I set it to manual in the portal. I'm going to go with the admin username. I need a username. Username would be Sheesh, and I'm going to use the SSH keys here. I went with the password while doing for the portal. I'm going to go with the SSH keys here. Hit enter. Let's see how it goes. I think I missed name resource group. the following arguments are required minus name. AZVMSS create. Let us do that again. I'm sorry. Create resource group. Test AZURE VMSS CLI test AZURE scale set. Ubuntu, I am going with Ubuntu LT. The image I am going with, I'm sorry, Ubuntu LTS. Upgrade policy mode, I'm going with automatic. And in the admin username, Ashish, generate SSH keys. Let's see. Okay, SSH key files is this, and this have been generated under this folder to allow SSH keys to the VM. If using virtual machine without permanent storage, back up your keys to a safe location. It takes a few minutes. Remember, it takes a few minutes. I think I missed the 2 dashes while running the command previously. That is why it failed. And I'll not edit this video, to cover up or to cut that part, because I want you guys to note that you also do not make these kind of mistakes. Mention in the command properly, and you will get the desired result. So it's gonna take few minutes, then I'll come back. Here you go, it has been deployed. So if I go, remember what I gave the name, I gave it test AZURE scale set. I gave the wrong name, man. Test AZURE scale set. Alright, so I'm sorry for that. If I search it in the search box, if this has, see, I click on here. I just want to show you what all it created at the back end. This is the virtual machine scale set, and you will see all those options here as well. It has created the public IP, though I didn't mention it, but it's created on its own. And if you would see the networking part here, this is the one that I created with CLI, not with a portal. So it created the network interface as well. And if you would, go with, if you would check the load balancer, so if you type in this name here, you see it created a load balancer automatically with the same name. So it will create a load balancer while creating a virtual machine skill set, because that is how you will connect to the applications that are running onto the VMs of the virtual machine skill set. All right. And you can go with the configuration of the load balancers as well to check for other options under the settings pan. So in the next video, we will try to deploy the sample application onto the virtual machine skill set and see how it goes. I hope you liked this one. Please mention in the feedback regarding these videos that I'm making in the comment section. I see you guys in the next video. Have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.